Want to manage customer retention effectively and boost your business growth? In this video, we'll walk you through how to do just that using Vendasta, a powerful platform designed to help you improve customer relationships and retain clients for the long haul. Stick around till the end, because we'll also show you how to access Vendasta for free with exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. First, let's dive right into the heart of customer retention with Vendasta. The platform allows you to monitor and manage all your client interactions from one place, saving you time and effort. By using Vendasta's customer relationship management, CRM, tools, you can track customer behavior, automate follow-ups, and personalize communications. This means you're always in the loop with your clients, offering them exactly what they need at the right time. Next, the second thing you need to know is how Vendasta integrates with other tools to streamline your workflows. It allows you to bring together your marketing, sales, and service operations in one easy-to-use dashboard. This centralization gives you an overview of all client interactions, making it easier to create personalized campaigns that speak directly to your audience's interests and needs, ultimately improving retention. The third thing you'll love about Vendasta is its automation capabilities. With automated emails and alerts, you can stay top of mind with your clients without lifting a finger. Whether it's sending reminders, updates, or special offers, Vendasta helps you create engagement at scale, ensuring clients always feel valued and never forgotten. Now, let's talk about insights. Vendasta offers detailed analytics to help you understand your customer retention patterns. It tracks everything from customer satisfaction to the products or services your clients are most interested in. This gives you data-backed insights that you can use to tweak your strategy and improve retention, ensuring your customers stay happy and loyal. The fifth thing to mention is the platform's ability to enhance your customer service. With features like ticket management and customer support tools, Vendasta helps you resolve issues quickly, ensuring your clients have a smooth and positive experience. Quick responses and efficient problem solving are key to keeping your customers satisfied, and Vendasta's tools make this a breeze. And here's a little bonus for sticking with me this far. The final thing is the incredible scalability of Vendasta. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this platform can grow with you. It adapts to your needs, offering the flexibility to manage customer retention no matter the size of your customer base. So, how can you get started with Vendasta today? Well, lucky for you, we have an exclusive offer to access Vendasta completely free for an extended trial period. Just click the link below to claim this amazing deal. To recap, Vendasta is a one-stop solution to effectively manage customer retention. It centralizes your workflows, automates communications, provides insightful analytics, improves customer service, and scales as your business grows. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make customer retention a priority with Vendasta. If you're ready to take your retention game to the next level, make sure to grab that extended free trial below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.